Okay, right, I've pinned it now. Let me squeeze it now. Bend over. I can't see because Ross is filming the flip.
Come round to the light.
Hang on.
There's nothing in it.
There is. Flipping yellow as a.
What?
Ah, right, now it's going to come out.
What's that? What was that? Give me that pin.
I've taken it now. I've dropped it now. Bend forward. Oh, right, it's coming out, look. Oh shit, it's coming
Oh!
out. Tim, hang on, it's coming out, babe.
I'm using my gloves.
I'm just going to squeeze it from afar, look.
Gonna fart in a minute.
Oh,
I'm gonna be sick.
hang on. It's coming out. Bend forward. Is it really sore?
Does it look like?
Hang on, there's still more in it. Let me do it. Stop messing.
Oh.
Are you doing it now?
Yeah, I'll
Let
do
me
it.
see that.